Okay, let's try again. Okay, Mr. Maybe a quick d4. There's Queen d4 here. Trying to interfere with development. Okay, so e5 then knight c6. What about bishop g5? I'll play this anyway. I'll play e5 anyway. Maybe queen c3 and e6 or something. Aha. Bishop c4 here. Maybe the idea of queen f4. So queen f4, rather crude. But does it provoke another weakness straight away? Right. So I'm going to play knight e4 if he's not careful. Knight d6. So knight e7, knight e4, coming into maybe f6. This looks like a better opening position than the previous two games. Or from the opening, seems to have an advantage for a change. So knight e4. There's no queen a5 check winning the e5 pawn at the moment, I hope. So what about just knight f6 here? That looks dangerous. Okay, because queen h4, isn't that just threatening mates? It's handy. So h5 is g4, h6 is bishop h6, bishop h6 and bishop g7, double check if knight f5. This is looking promising. There's a bit of a 12 move crush coming up. Is he going to resign here? I don't know. This looks as though I think he's misplayed the opening somewhat. Yep, he has resigned. Well, that's a cheerful end to today's session. So 1 out of 3. And the first game, though, yeah, I mean, I missed the winning opportunity. In the second game, I didn't need to sack the exchange, but here, this is just the total disaster from my opponent for a change, not from me. So quick queen takes d4 and e5. I thought knight c6, though. In fact, queen moves. Maybe there's check. No, actually, maybe that's okay. I just do knight c3. I thought e5 might be loose, but yeah, this looks. I know this is like crude, but if it's provoked e6, it's done a good job positionally. Now knight e4, just going in for the kill rather rapidly, not doing any routine moves, just trying to pounce on the dark squares, f6 in particular, after knight e4. So he castled into it, so check. He doesn't want to leave a fawn pawn there. Bishop takes, although that's probably better than the game. Knight f5. There might be g4 and then queen h6. So this is already quite dangerous for black. So one of my quickest wins recently against such a high-rated player for the auto pairing. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.